After just one kiss, you're not able to move from her venomous lips and her poison perfume.
A lot of singing, a lot of guitaring, a lot of bass playing, a lot of drumming. But it's all good because it sort of mixes up. It's not like drum day, vocal day, this, that. It's whatever needs to be doing. Whatever the board says, we follow.
She wouldn't let me go, and she can dance the whole way to hell, that little party girl. Woo-hoo, woo-hoo. And she can dance with the devil himself, but she's a party girl.
This is the main shit.
Go. This place is prison.
What is that?
What's that sound? What is that? Oh my god. What is that?
I just found it.
Just been adding my own sort of vibe, my own sort of feel to it. Sprinkling my magic dust on it. So yeah, it's since then, since I've been doing it, it's sort of, how can I put it, taken a step forward in the right direction, whereas before I was concerned it was
well, the objective was to finish off, to practically finish the album in about, I think, like 3.5 weeks or something.